Good morning, YouTube. We finally feel alive today. So I'm gonna pick up the camera, start off a new vlog here, starting on a good note because we are feeling better. So we woke up this morning, we got a little of cardio done. Jacob had a work meeting, so we had to take a little break for that. But now we're heading back to the gym, and I wanted to show you guys this cool like bodybuilding style gym that I told you guys in the past vlog. I didn't get to vlog it. So I'm gonna take you guys along for my little full body workout because I'm still not feeling like 100%, but we at least wanna get our bodies moving and grooving before we go out and have a day. So welcome back to another YouTube video, and I will see you guys at the gym. This is Obsidian Gym in Canggu, Bali. It is more of a bodybuilding style type of gym. However, they have nothing but Banana equipment throughout the entire gym floor. So if you're into nice equipment, definitely give the gym a go. I started off my workout with straight arm lat push downs on the cable rope machine. Then I went into some face pulls just to get the upper body nice and warm before I head into my lift. I then went into the Smith machine to do some squats. I love doing my squats on the Smith machine because it keeps you very stable and you can really focus on your form rather than pushing the weight. Then I went into some rows on this Panada plate loaded machine, and it was so freaking smooth. I loved it. I then went into the Viking press machine. Again, very smooth machine, and you are very stable within the machine. I then went into an incline chest press machine. I started off with some wide grip, and then I moved into some close grip just to really hit all of the chest muscles. I finished off my workout with a core circuit. I've been really focusing on hitting my core at the end of every single one of my workouts, and I can tell you it has made such a difference in my ab definition and just my overall waist appearance. I feel like it's a lot smaller just because I'm incorporating my inner ab muscles. And that concluded my workout. I did want to also mention Obsidian is available on ClassPass, so if you have that subscription, you can use your credits towards open gym hours. So that was really nice, and that's why we kept coming back to this gym. Check them out. They're in Canggu, Bali, and here's the rest of our day. Don't be getting all wild because you're on YouTube.
You're just spooked all the time.
What'd you say?
You're just spooked all the time.
Yeah, because you be trying to fit in with the locals.
Like that day. Romanticize your life.
Yeah, that's right.
Thinking about 6-pack of water. Yes, sir.
Coconut.
Drive through coconut.
Woohoo! How cool is this? Picking up our coconut. Okay. How cool. Wow.
Great idea. That's the guy.
That's exactly what I need.
That's the guy.
That's so cool. Wow.
They just get to eat all the stuff that's left.
Yeah.
You don't want that?
No. Just. Wow. Wait, we literally get fresh coconut water.
See welcome.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oops, sorry, babes. Woohoo! We literally just got 1.5 liters of straight coconut water. You guys saw he literally poured it out straight from the coconut. How freaking cool.
Final in Purico.
Alright, you guys, we came back to Obsidian to watch the sunset. Jacob was using the cold plunge downstairs, and I was like tanning for a little bit before the sunset started, but it is so freaking beautiful. I did a little time lapse, so I'll play that for you guys, but honestly, I'm just like so grateful to even get the ability to travel and be in places like this where it's just so serene, so zen, and I feel so at peace here. So I just want to express my gratitude because it's just crazy that God blesses me every single day, blesses me and my fiance Jacob to be able to do this. So I'm enjoying the sunset, and then we're gonna go home and make some food because I am hungry. I'm still not feeling the best. I'm really not, but I'm just trying to pull through as much as I can. My body feels good, but as soon as I eat something, it just like doesn't sit well in my stomach, and it just makes me feel bloated and stuff. So I've been eating like pretty light and just like gentle foods versus like trying anything crazy. So I want to get better before I can, you know, have a little bit of fun. But let's look at this sunset. There we go. Beautiful. It is now the following day. We headed over to Body Factory Gym. It is one of the more well-known gyms here in Canggu, Bali, because it was one of the first ones to have ever opened. I felt a lot better this day, so we went ahead and did a full leg day. I just started off with some abductions and some adductions just to really get my hips and glutes warmed up. Then I went into one of my favorite movements as of lately. It is the Smith Machine Sumo Deadlift / squat, because I do squat a little bit. The reason why I love this is because on the way down, I can really hinge those hips all the way back, getting a nice full stretch in the glutes and allowing me to really engage them. Then I supersetted them with some knee supported hyper extensions. I keep the range of motion small here to just keep it in the glutes. Then I went into some reverse lunges. These are probably one of my favorite types of lunges because you can really engage the glutes and the hamstrings on the way up. I finished off with some extra things, but then we headed over to their cafe called The Dispensary for a healthy post-workout meal. Thank you so much. Thanks. Wow. Look at this freshness. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, and it has an egg on there, babes.
Feed the beast.
Wow.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you. Looks so good. Wow. Now this is the spread.
The yolk's falling over.
Yeah, that looks really good. I have to try it. Lots of voiceovers here, but I forgot to film our last day in Canggu before we headed over to Uluwatu. We visited yet another gym called Nirvana and did an upper body workout, then enjoyed some healthy food by their pool and ended our day with some much needed recovery in their amazing sauna. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I'll catch you guys in part 3 of our Bali trip.